Now, the question I want to ask you is, does the average person spend time, effort, and resources building money-making machine? Do they really put effort into this? Answer is no. Why no? Well, maybe because they never come to my seminar, huh? So most people do not put time, effort, resources, build a money-making machine. The question is why? Why? Why is it that the majority of people does not spend time, effort, resources to build money-making machine for themselves? Why they don't do that? Well, the answer is quite straightforward. It's because they are too busy. And you ask me, too busy doing what? Or because they are too busy becoming a money-making machine for other people. So there are two kinds or two categories of people in life. One category spend time, effort, resources to build their money-making machine and to build their financial future so that they can reach total wealth day as soon as possible. The other one spend time, effort, resources becoming a money-making machine. So the question I want to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, is which one are you? Have you built a money-making machine or you become a money-making machine for somebody else?